go! Where are you off to? Don't stop, I'm already late! For what? I'm going on an adventure!
Well, I'm not really a hobbit, although sometimes I wish I was, but I do know what it's like to leave the comfort of your shire, of your home behind and venture into the unknown. And after quite a few moves in the past 12 years, you think I'd be used to it, but guess what? It's never easy. Each time it's just as terrifying, just as uncertain, especially when it's someplace new, when it's a new adventure. Staying comfortable is easy, but is it fulfilling? Moving to another country, starting over, it's hard, but every single time we've done it, we've grown in ways we never imagined. We've had to be resourceful, adaptable, and brave. So if you're at a crossroads, wondering if you should take that leap, maybe this is your sign. Growth doesn't happen in comfort. It happens in movement, change, and embracing the unknown. Here's a question to ask yourself. If I weren't afraid, what would I do next? When life knocks at your door with an opportunity to change, it rarely comes at a convenient time. Bilbo didn't wake up thinking he'd leave the Shire that day. But that's the thing about adventure. It doesn't wait for you to be ready, and neither does life.